Hi friends, in this video I just want to test my drone, that is a DJI Mavic Pro 2. Today there is a high wind velocity in my place, and there is also a tornado warning. In the night there was like heavy rain and heavy wind, and right now it is like 29 kilometer per hour, the wind velocity. And yeah, I just wanted to check the stability of my drone.
Takeoff.
So
The
let us
launch
take
pad
off
has been
and see
updated. Please
how
check on the map.
the drone works in this heavy wind situation. Come on, let us see. Uh, the drone is being taken off, and you can see there is heavy wind, and I'm straightforward. I'm getting a warning: high wind velocity, fly with caution, and land in a safe place. To be honest, this is my first flight in such a windy situation. Uh, I just wanted to try and see like how stable DJ Mavic Pro 2 is because as of now, as per the review and all those things, this is one of the best drones out there, and so I just wanted to try, and the video looks pretty good. I just want to show you the moving clouds, how fast they're moving. I'm just making some settings. So yeah, I actually wanted to make some hyperlapse video, but I'm really scared. um, yeah, the battery is dying quickly. I think because it is using more, because there is because of this heavy wind situation. um, so coming to the stability of DJI Mavic 2 Pro, it is stable. It is not floating around in the air, and the image, the video clarity is really commendable. It's not that bad. There is no much lag and all those things. So what I observed from this flight was the DJI Mavic Pro 2 performed really well in high wind velocity. Uh, So other than that, the battery was draining quickly, even though it was not 100%, but I was expecting anywhere between uh, 15 to 20 minutes of flight, but it was cut short, and I am bringing my flight back where it started, guys. Guys, let me know if you have tried in such a similar situation. How did you feel? How did your drone perform? Just let me know in the comment section. And if you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much, guys.